Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today, here with Tesla. Now Tesla has been going up. I think we're going to keep this positive momentum, looking really good today. Going maybe 200, could be a ceiling. Let's take a gamble. I think we're going to be okay here. So it's a put at 200. So see what we can get. $1,000, pretty good. Let's see if we can execute. All right. Build. You can see here, Tesla. Although there's something missing. Yeah, something missing. Let's go back. So what we need is a tracking share. So all we got to do is buy one share, but I'm not going to buy one. I'm going to buy 5 because I really like it. So usually I just buy one, but you know, why get one when you can get 5? Good. Here we go, we can see we are on our way. Make sure you guys subscribe, see how we do. We'll make some money. So make sure you join the channel for real-time trades. Thanks for watching.